So as next we have to come gigabyte.com. Okay, then you can see here search key, then you have to type your model number Z890 and master AI2, then hit enter. After you can see here product, click to product. After that click to icon, this title, just single click. After that you can see here new tab open automatically. After that you click on support. So you can see drive OS, you can select all, otherwise you can Windows 10 and 11. So scroll down and you can see LAN driver, click to download. This only automatic start here and it will complete, just single click to open. After that double click to open. This is WinRAR file, then click to yes. Now this is LAN driver is installing by the cmd command. So it is installed and automatically close. After that close also this file.